In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a LinkedIn banner that attracts clients in Canva. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create your banner, as well as what you need to include in your banner and why. So let's get started. Step one is to go to Canva, sign up to Canva if you haven't done so already. Then create a design. The size of the banner needs to be 1584 by 396. Then you click create new design. I'm going to go to a design that I created a little bit earlier. Here is my current LinkedIn banner. I'm also going to be showing you some examples of other LinkedIn banners later on in the video, so stay tuned. But I'm going to show you exactly how we created this and what you need to include. First of all, what is your banner for? Your LinkedIn banner is the first thing that people see when they come to your profile. So as soon as they get to your profile, you need to tell them how you can help them, why they should follow you, and why they should stick around. So let's quickly break down this banner before I get into creating it from the ground up. You need to include how you help. So I help people by helping them write content that attracts their dream clients. You can also include who you help, especially if you're niching down. For example, I could say I'm helping founders create content that attracts their dream clients, or helping solopreneurs or small businesses, or if you've got another niche like specifically SEO businesses or marketing agencies, then you can include that here. But I wouldn't if you want to keep your options open. Third thing you want to include is social proof. So evidence that you can help them get the outcome that you're telling them you can help them get. So with how you help, you want to tell them the benefit or the outcome that you'll help them get. So I'm helping them attract their dream clients. I'm telling them how I help them do that, write content. And then we've got social proof, which shows them that I've been able to get millions of views and 70,000 subscribers on YouTube. Another element that's good to have is a picture of you. It's not 100% necessary. Something that is 100% necessary is your brand colors. So my brand colors are this shade of red, white, and black. So I've got white text, this shade of red as the background, and then we've got me dressed in black. The last thing you should include in your banner is a call to action. Whatever the next step you want them to take when they get to your profile is, you want to include that here. So when someone comes to my profile, I want them to go and download my 74 LinkedIn post ideas and hooks and sign up to my email list. And then I let them know it's free download and there's a link in the featured section. So just looking at this banner, you'll come to my profile, you'll know how I can help you, you'll know where you can get a free download, and you'll know if you need my personal help and you want to work with me for a coaching session or what have you, you can DM me the word content and then we can start talking in DM. So this is a banner that gives you a lot of information and is very clear. That's what you want. You want your banner to be clear, not clever. You want it to tell people exactly how you can help them so that they can make the decision of whether it's worth following you, contacting you, or taking the next step you want them to take. This is how you create the banner step by step. It's very, very simple. It's just text and colors. So I would change my background first step to my brand colors, and then I can add a heading. The heading will be verb plus benefit plus how you help. So this is an example. If you were an SEO agency, then a good headline would be get more clients. So that's verb, get more clients, benefit by ranking #1 on Google, how you help. So that's how you write your headline. Verb plus benefit plus how you help. In my headline, it's write content that attracts your dream clients. So verb, write content is part of the how I help, and then attracts your dream clients is the benefit. So you can move it around a little bit, do what fits you. So here we've got our title. Then we'll add some proof. So if you got any stats or a number of clients that you've worked with, any case studies that look really good, you want to have that here, or any logos of big companies you've worked with, you can include that here as well. I've got my stats from YouTube, so that's what I just use here. So I might as well just copy that over. To get your photo to look like this, you just need to drag it in. So from your uploads, you'll have your photo. So like so, you drag it in, you go to edit image, then you scroll down, you go to shadows, and then you hit drop. And then it gives you this nice shadow look. You also need to remember that on mobile and on desktop as well, your head will cover a bunch of your banner. So don't place anything important over on this lower left-hand side. I don't mind my head covering a bit of these stats as long as the main stats and numbers are shown. So that's all fine. Then I'll add a shape, a square, change the color to white. That's my brand color. I'll rotate it so it's like triangle type of thing, or just slanted. And then I'll add a picture of me. So to add a picture of yourself, just want to fling that in there, and then edit photo, click background remover, and I add a filter of Capri and bring the intensity real low. And then I'll move this shape so that it covers the entirety of my body. Then we can add a call to action. So duplicate this text. All right, DM me SEO. So my call to action is DM me SEO for my help ranking #1 on Google. Then we can add an arrow. We'll change the line type to curved, change the color to white, move this near enough in position, and rotate it while moving. And then we'll move it into position. I'll use the arrows to move it exactly where I want it to be. And I'll change the line style to whatever you want. So now we have DM me SEO for my help ranking #1 on Google, and then you'd point to your social proof. So what would be good here would be screenshots of articles ranking #1 on Google. Or if I said DM me SEO for my help ranking #1 on YouTube, screenshots of videos that I've got ranking #1 on YouTube would be very good here. And here with the text, I'll make this a little bit bigger, and then we add a bit of lift to the text. To do that, you go to effects and then click on lift. Another technique I like to use is to cut some of the text and then duplicate this, paste the text, get the next line, cut that, duplicate that, paste the next line. And then you have just way more freedom to size this up. And we can also do something like this. We can change the text color to black, go to effects, go to background, change the roundness to 0, change the spread to 15, change this color to white, and then this just looks way cooler. So I'll put this over here so that it's kind of in line. There we go, this looks better. So here I could even improve this, but this type of effect, I feel it works better with 3 lines. Updating my actual banner, it looks better with the background. So this is how you create a background that attracts clients on LinkedIn. Here's how to download and upload your banner to LinkedIn. First, we go to share, then we go to download, then we go to select the page we want to download. So I'm going to download this new version, which is page number 2. And the file type you want to select is PNG, and then we hit download. Then we go to our LinkedIn page. We click this pencil button over our banner, click change photo, select your banner, click open, click apply, then click refresh to make sure that this has uploaded correctly. And here you can see we've uploaded our new banner. Now I'm going to go over examples of LinkedIn banners. So here is Luke Shalom, I think that's how you say his name's banner. His one is focused on outcomes, so it's earn trust, gain clients. It's basically telling you the outcomes that you can get. Then it says build executive relationships that produce sales. I guess that is how he helps you get this outcome, but it's not very specific. I'd get more specific than this. Over here, we've got Mike Romaine. He is the creator newsletter guy, as you can see, and his banner is talking about the newsletter teaching you how to grow, launch, grow, and monetize your 6-figure creator newsletter. So this is the outcome, becoming a 6-figure creator, and he's teaching you how to launch, grow, and monetize your 6-figure creator newsletter. So he's teaching you how to do these 3 things to turn you into a 6-figure creator with the newsletter. Then we have Grace Hall, who's a copywriter, and her banner is very simple. It's just ready to stop crying over copy. A lot of people do these question banners. Personally, I don't like doing questions too much because I see ChatGPT doing it too much, so I try to stay away from question hooks and that sort of stuff. But ready to stop crying over copy, her whole brand is crying over copy, so it works very well. The messaging is very consistent. And then it's, if you're ready to stop crying over copy, send me a DM. It's very, very simple. She's letting you know she's a copywriter. If your problem is copy and you're crying over it, you send her a DM, and that's the next step that she wants you to take. The outcome is that you will stop crying over copy. Then we've got Charlie Bennett, who says learn how to build and monetize your audience. That is an outcome, learning how to build and monetize your audience, although he's not giving you how he does it. So in his headline, he says helping entrepreneurs build high income personal brands, sharing tips on turning your audience into income. Still not telling you how he does it, so I would optimize that and tell people how this is done. Then we've got Shoaib Ahmed, who says, learn how to build, grow, and monetize your LinkedIn presence. So he's telling you how to build, grow, and monetize your LinkedIn presence. So that is the outcome: monetizing your LinkedIn presence, growing it and building it. And then it's scale 10 times faster with data from over 8,000 LinkedIn posts. So he's also giving you another how he does it. And then he's got all this social proof: 102 happy clients, 157 million LinkedIn post impressions, 3 million delivered in revenue. Check out my services below. That's the call to action. This is very good. I love this social proof down here. Although I like to have either logos or actual statistics, because people can lie. Remember that. If you want to turn views into followers, turn followers into clients, then you can do that by optimizing your LinkedIn profile by using my LinkedIn profile optimization checklist. Click the download link in the description or go to the link on screen. Get that for absolutely free. You've got nothing to lose except for the opportunity to get this checklist, because it won't be free and available forever. If you got any questions or any other LinkedIn tutorials you want me to create, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video.